Hello, in this video, I will teach you how to set up multiple screens or monitors to your PC just like this in just two easy steps. I will not only show you how to connect these multiple screens, but I will also show you how to effectively set up an amazing workflow so that you not get confused while using multiple screens. So without further ado, let's deep dive into doing this. So the step number one, the things you need is you need two HDMI connectors. The one that's going to connect to the bigger screen. Then this is my desktop monitor. Then connects to your PC. So let me quickly show you a close range of these connections. And also you need this adapter. This is a USB type C to HDMI converter, right? So my system is USB type C enabled. That's why I'm using this. But if you do not have a type C, then you can get a HDMI splitter. It's going to work perfectly. So let me quickly show you an overview of the setup so that you can do yours, right? And if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. I'll be so glad to help you. So this is a look of the type C to HDMI converter. So because of the type of system that I have, right? So it has a VGA port and a HDMI port, right? So this will suffice for me for two system. So there are some that has like two HDMIs and other type C. So this has HDMI type C, then it has USB 3.0 and type C, USB type C here. So this is a 4-in-1, so you can go get this will do for me. So this HDMI, so the HDMI transmits signal at 4K resolution, while this transfer signal as 1080p. So depending on what you want. So this is an SSD, and so for type C charging. So yeah, so this is what you need, and it's not so pricey. I got it for 12K, so that is about $6. Yeah, so yeah, so that's it. So what it means is that if your monitor is old like mine, so and you have a VGA port, so it's going to work, right? Because the VGA, instead of using the HDMI, you just connect the VGA to this part and you are good to go. So after creating your setup, another thing that you should consider is creating an amazing workflow, because the truth is that it can be confusing at times. Right now, navigating your mouse across these PCs, like 3 monitors, because they're going to be acting as individual this thing monitor. So one thing you do now by default, when you connect it, right, is going to show is going to be on duplicate. So whatever you see here, it's what you're going to see here. Is what's going to see here, but then it's on extend. So what to do to change your display mode so that you can display different things? The first thing you do is you press F8 on your PC, function F8, right, to project, or you just come here on notification. So that's how that is short for cut, or you can just click on project, then you put it on extend. If it's on duplicate, so this is how it is. You see that everything is same, right? What I'm showing, what is showing here, it's what is showing here, it's what is showing there. But I don't want that. That's not a setup I want. So I'll put it on extend. So here, come to extend, and just change it to extend. So change it to extend. So you see this one, you have fresh background, so that you can now move whatever you want to that place. So I can move CapCut, I can move what I'm working to this side. You see this place is now vacant. I can move it here, just drag to here. You see this place is vacant, this other place, so you can now put other things here. Maybe I open Chrome here, then I'll put my trading view or other stuff. Maybe I'll open my trading view here. I'll put my trading view here. Now you can see, now these are 3 things, right? Now you can see we have 3 different things, but then this can be very confusing at times, right? So that's why I'm going to show you the next thing that you have to do to optimize like your workstation, which is, you know, creating, like setting up the workflow. So to set up your workflow, what you do, you go to display. Now you go to display, right? Windows D, to desktop, right click and go to display. So you click on display settings, right? Now under display settings, now if you click on identify, it will show you the flow of the flow of the mouse. So if you click on identify, you see this is PC1, this is PC2, and PC3 here. So what if you want to change the flow? So see, this is PC1, PC2, PC3. So what it means is that this is how the flow is. But if you want to change the flow, right, to you want this one to be PC3 and PC2, depending on how, because I'm right-handed, right? So I want this one to be PC2 and PC3, right? So that I've not get confused. What you do is that you can click on it, you understand, and just drag it to just change the position. You see, this is PC2 now, this is PC3. You get, then when you click on it, you click on apply. So now this is going to change a whole lot of things. Now whenever you are moving your cursor, you not get confused. Now see, you see, now this is where I am, this is where I am, right? I just move it, it comes to here, and I moved to the edge. Now it comes to this place. So that is another way you can use not to get confused. Hope you learned something, and do not forget to subscribe and follow me for more awesome content right like this. And I wish you an amazing work experience. I love you. So you can go ahead and put whatever you want on any of the screens, and you'll be good. So you can put your browser here, and yeah, you work. So, or you can open your VS Code while you code and just have fun. So guys, hope you learned something new. Love you all. Cheers.